Hello students, this is to help you cite your sources when you're writing papers for history class. With all of the evidence we use in our papers, we have to cite our sources for the ideas that aren't ours. And the way that we do this as historians is to add footnotes. So if you look, I have created a fake paper that I'm writing about the civil rights movement, and if you see, I have a quote here from Martin Luther King Jr. that I want to use as part of my evidence. I did not come up with this quote, therefore I have to cite my source. And how we're going to do that is we're going to go to references. It's up on your top bar menu. When that pops up, you're going to go to add footnote. Now, we use Chicago manual style in history when we're citing our sources. I know that a lot of you, this is going to be a struggle, so I want you to use Owl Purdue as a reference. Owl Purdue gives you all of the templates you need to cite your sources. So the source that I have is from a book, so I'm going to go to Books. Okay. So if you see right here, footnotes and endnotes, that's what we're looking for. So it's telling me how to cite my source. So I need the first and last name of my author, the title of the book, the place of publication, publisher, year of publication, and the page number. So I'm going to use this exact template to add our footnote into our paper. So we're going to come back, and I'm going to put in the book. So the book that I have was quotes from Martin Luther King Jr. that his wife contributed. So he's the author, so I put his name in as the author. Then I'm going to put the title. The title of the book that I used was The Words of Martin Luther King Jr. So I'm going to type that in. And if you looked on the template, it's showing me that that is italicized. So I'm going to make sure that the exact way that it has it is what my paper looks like. Okay. Now we're going to put in the place of publication. The book that I'm using was published in New York, so I'm going to put New York, but not italicized because that's not how it was. Okay. The publisher name is New Market Press. And when you're looking in a book, you can find this on the first 1 or 2 pages in your book. It'll tell you what year it was published, who the publisher was, and all the information you need to know for your citing. Okay. Perfect. So I just need to put this in here. And the page number is going to be the last thing. And for me, the page number was 90. So take a look. We have our author, the title of our book, the publisher, city, who the publisher was, the year it was published, and the page number. If we go back to the Owl Purdue, we're going to look and it's going to be the same. Okay. Now if we go back to our paper, the quote that I just footnoted, you can see that there's a little 1 there. So that way, if somebody wants to see where you've gotten this source from while they're reading their paper, they can see that that little 1 is there and go down to the bottom of the page and look at the footnote and see where you got that information. And as you put more footnotes in, you'll get more numbers. So the next one would be 2. Okay, I hope this is helpful. If you have any questions, please email me.